All right, everybody ready to dance? Everybody ready to rock and roll? Start me up, I'll never stop. Stop me up, I'll never stop. Got me running hot, you got me breaking, gonna blow my top, blow my top. Stop me up, I'll never stop, and never stop, and never stop. You make me grow and cry, you make me grow and cry, you make me grow and cry. Without the oil, gasoline, I walk us through life, she's a Leigh, Leigh machine. Stop me up, stop me up. You got my started, give it all you got, you got, you got. You know I can't compete with the riders in the other heat. You rough it up, if you like it, you slide it up, slide it up, slide it up, slide it up. You make me grow and cry, you make me grow and cry, you make me grow and cry. My eyes are late, my legs go great, my hands are greasy, she's a Leigh machine. Stop, never, never, never stop. Stop me up. I said, yo, you make a grown man cry. I said, yo, you make a grown man cry. I said, yo, you make a grown man cry. I'll never stop. Stop me up, stop me up, stop me up, stop me up, never, never. Stop me up. All right, I want to introduce Cousin Mark now, who's going to do a special country song for us.
Alright, thank you. So, for those of you who don't know, this is something that we do a lot of our family functions this way. I don't usually get to come up to the mic and sing up front, but for this special occasion, I can only think of this song as the appropriate way to give you an idea of what you're in for the next couple of years.
Woo! Yeah! Only the next couple of years.
begun. Ever since I was sucking my thumb, push came to shove when I fell in love with my baby. My baby, well, you can say she's overbearing. In fact, she picked out the clothes that I'm wearing. And I can't go fishing without her permission, but I ain't complaining. Got an arrangement. She can wear the pants, she can wear the show, she can crack the whip just like Indiana Jones. She can wear the boots, she can wear the show, she can wear the pants, long as I can take them off her. Makes the plans. That woman's wish is my command. I'm telling you, I've got more honeydews than every fruit truck on 40, but I'll get them done shortly. She can wear the pants, she can wear the show, she can crack a whip just like Indiana Jones. She can wear the boots, she can wear the show, she can wear the pants, long as I can take them off her. She can crack a whip just like Indiana Jones. She can wear the boots, she can wear the hood, she can wear the pants, as long as I can take them off her. Well, she can push me around, but when the sun goes down, look out, there's a new sheriff in town. Ooh, 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 yeah. I get a whole lot of flack from the fellas. I reckon that they're twisted. She can wear the pants, she can run the show, she can crack the whip just like Indiana Jones. She can wear the boots, she can run the show, she can wear the pants, as long as I can take them off her. She can wear the pants, she can wear the show, she can crack the whip just like Indiana Jones. She can run the roof, she can run the show, she can wear the pants, as long as I can take them off her. Thank you very much. All right, we wrote this song just for Matt and Leigh. It's off our latest album. Now, my family always says that all my songs sound exactly alike. So if that's true, you can just start singing along from the beginning. Right? All right, the name of the song is My Last Wedding Day with You. Yeah, it was a long arrangement to make this big arrangement.
pictures we'll be scanning to have a special day with you. Now when we teach you around, just better stay new. If Clark Gable could be with us too, tell Bernadette Peters it's true. It's my last wedding day with you. It's my last wedding day with you. Sent out the invitation, made all the reservations to have a special day with you. We had the bridal shower, the bachelor party louder. We had the special day with you. Now when we Ginger Rogers ready to stay new, Clark Gable could be with us too. Tell Bernadette Peters it's true. It's my last wedding day with you. It's my last wedding day with you. Bye, Ryan. Chicken, the food was finger licking. We had this special day with you. We toasted in the horror, the DJ played some more. We had this special day with you. Now it's time to end this day. Point plie, what do we say? For the time really flew. It's my last wedding day with you. It's my last wedding day with you. It's my last wedding day with you. Last wedding day with you. My last wedding day with you. Thank you. We are the My Three Sons Band. We're gonna do one more. We're gonna go. I just want to tell you who my three sons are. On drums, he almost didn't make it because he overslept. Cousin Scott, Dave, and Leigh. And on lead guitar, we have cousin Ryan Corey.
And I would like to thank Matt for coming out to Leigh's wedding tonight.
And on bass guitar, acoustic guitar, and vocals, we have cousin Mark Saul Leigh. We're gonna do what, you know, when Leigh asked us to do this gig for you, this wedding.
Hang on. We got one more person that you're forgetting.
Who's that?
On lead guitar, on lead vocals, on bass guitar, Uncle Lawrence Leibowitz.
Thank you. We told Leigh and Matt we do this as a promotion to do all the weddings for all Leigh's friends. But Leigh said, all my friends are married already. I said, that's all right, we're going to do all their second weddings. You taste so good. Brown sugar, just like a young girl should. Yeah, drums getting cold, it was love on top. Baby of the house, wondering where it's gonna stop. House boy, know that it's doing alright. You should have heard me. Dressed around midnight. Brown sugar, how come you taste so good? tastes so good. Brown sugar, just like a young boy should. I bet your mama was a 10-trouble queen. All the boyfriends sweet 16. I'm not a schoolboy, but I know I love each other just around midnight. Brown sugar, how come you taste so good? Brown sugar, just like a young girl should. I want to hear you sing. Can you sing? Can you sing? I want everybody to join in.